So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do single crochet stitches. Just remember that when you're crocheting into your second row, into your chain stitches, this is the hardest row. It's the hardest to hold on to, but once you get through this row, it gets a lot easier, so just keep going. So once you have your turning stitch made, it is very similar to that. You're going to look for the next chain, which is going to be this one right here. Can be a little hard to see, but if you need to check, you could always give this string a little tug and see which chain that it's attached to and look for the next one after that. So you're going to insert it into the chain so that there's 2 loops on the top and 1 loop on the bottom. I like to hold on to this first original loop that was on my hook with my thumb. You loop it around, you hook the string, and you pull it through. Then you should have 2 loops on your hook, and you're going to go around again and pull through 2. So each time you're looping over, you should be pulling through 2 loops. So we're just going to keep doing this until we reach the end. Looping the string over our hook, pulling our hook through, and doing the same again. It can be a little tricky to get your yarn to go through the chain so that you get 2 loops on the top and 1 loop on the bottom, and that is okay. Just remember to keep pushing through, and when you get to your next row, it'll get a lot easier to do. And when you're going, your single crochets should look something like this. It might get a little twisted or bent when you're doing your first row, but it'll all even out when you get to the end and you start doing some more rows. And when you get to the end, you're going to do a single crochet in this last stitch from the hook. And in another video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn. And if you have a little flap right here that's a little big, you can just pull on this piece of yarn and it'll tighten up that knot. Thanks for watching.